How to set up Cloudflare in Hostinger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Cloudflare in Hostingers. So for that, you need to create a Cloudflare account. Just go ahead and open Cloudflare website and click on sign up to create a new account and verify your email address before continue to the new step. And after that, just click on the add site at the top right of the Cloudflare dashboard. And after that, just enter your WordPress site URL and click add site. And here you just have to select a plan of your Cloudflare account. The free plan is suitable for small and medium WordPress websites. The premium plan have advanced features for websites that handle more traffic, and the Pro offers additional optimization feature and cache analytics for $20 a month. So you can select the account or the premium plan according to your need. And after that, just checking your domain DNS records. After adding your WordPress site, Cloudflare will automatically scan from common DNS record and add them to your account. Don't forget to enable or disable Cloudflare for specific subdomains and toggle the button under proxy status. Cloudflare will direct you to change your name servers. Copy both Cloudflare name servers and head to your domain name registered. And just log into your Hostinger account and head to the domains tab. Select the DNS name servers and click on change name servers. Copy and paste Cloudflare's name server in the first two fields and click on save to finalize the process. And head back to your Cloudflare website and check done. So this is how you will be able to set up your Cloudflare in Hostingers. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.